Welcome back to the Wildlife Bros. Today we will be presenting fun facts about many different animals. Our first animal that we will be talking about are polar bears. Polar bears live in cold places. Antarctica is one of them. Polar bears live 20 to 30 years. Polar bears can go 25 miles per hour.
Let's talk about kangaroos and koalas. Did you know that kangaroos are the largest marsupials on Earth? Also, they can jump up to 10 feet while the baby is inside the female. Male kangaroos are competitive when it comes to female kangaroos, which causes them to fight a lot. Now, let's talk about koalas. The tree trunk can help the koala bears keep cool. Also, they can be picky because trees which grow on less fertile soils seem to have some more of the toxins than those growing on good soils.
Hi, my name is Say, and let's talk about Sakoke and abyssinians. Not many cats are as smart as the Sakoke. Sakoke are one of the most intelligent cats in the world. Sakoke are recognized as a standardized cat breed. Sakoke cats can live up to 12 to 15 years. Sakoke are mainly from Kenya and United States. Sakoke cats are active and love climbing. Now, let's talk about Abyssinians. Abyssinians cost 1,200 through 2,800. They are loyal, curious, and grateful. Also, did you know that Abyssinians look similar to mountain lions?
Why did the lion spit out the clown?
Why? I don't know why.
Because he tasted funny.
Your jokes crack me up. Hello guys, my name is Mike. Today we're going to be talking about jaguars. They are big cats. They live in Brazil, Mexico, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, Honduras, and more. Species are believed to be extirpated from El Salvador and Uruguay. Jaguars are mostly found in the U.S. largest tropical wetlands. There are only 1,703,000 jaguars in the world so far. They eat medium to large prey. This proves that they are the king of the jungle, no matter how big they are.